Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Cheers to a Saturday, I guess, you know. Clink. Kampai. So, I'm unboxing a new knife like this video suggested, or video title is going to say. This is the same guys who made this knife. Holtzman Guerrilla Survival. I do have a video on this on my channel. I will link it below. This is not the knife though, because I just showed you the box. Yeah, maybe I really should start thinking about scripting my videos. So, now, why am I doing an unboxing? I don't normally do unboxings. The reason I'm doing an unboxing is simply because when I did the BPS Bushmate, which I'll link below, you know, my reaction to the knife itself was, I wish I had captured it on video, because I was just like, wow, this is cool and whatnot, just opening the box. So hence why I'm doing it now. So this, well, let's just turn the camera down and let's get this box open, because I'm sure you want to see knife more than my mug. Make sure I'm on, make sure we're in good. So, got some tinder. Oh yeah, I did get the Holtzman Guerrilla Survival, so I was right. Sweet. Wow, everything's falling on the floor. Come on, man. Get it together. So here it is. Now, when I did the initial video for this knife, I commented on the awesome boxing that they do. And man, they really do a stellar job on the packaging. It's like, you know, you throw some you wrap this up, gift it to a buddy, gift it to a coworker. Maybe not at work if your work's all like, got a knife, oh my god. But I'm always astounded by their great gift boxing. Well, slap a ribbon on it and just give it to me. I'd be pretty happy. It's like, is that a knife? Sweet. So, see if we can zoom in a little bit so you can maximize the. Now I'm actually seeing this for the first time too. So, I mean, other than the internet page, which I'll get into in a moment. And that is, it's a little neck knife. So there you go. Let's get it out of the. Now I don't typically wear a neck knife, but the reason I bought this knife is because it was $20. This whole set, this whole thing was 20 bucks. So they were doing some kind of a deal, and I said $20. The first thing I said was, holy shit. And then the second thing I said is, I may have to go look for that. So it's, you know, like I said, it's a neck knife, so it's not, you know, it's a fully fit hand, but it's pretty comfortable to hold. It's pretty good and thick too. I should get a tape measure. Do I have one? Yes, I do. A tape measure right here. Let's see, it's about half an inch. Not too shabby. So, it's a pretty sweet looking knife, really. And it has a nice lanyard hole, so I'm going to, of course, stick one of my belt leather bootlace through there. Maybe. I don't really carry a neck knife, though, but I think that's pretty sweet. Got the orange liner handles, or orange liner in the handles, which is nice. It also comes with a small ferrocerium rod. Yeah, so it's a small ferro rod and a little shot cord. Also comes with what's this? Oh, and I did mention this in the initial with the other knife too. Is it actually comes with an Allen wrench. I think that's a nice little detail. So you can make adjustments to your sheath, which is right here. So That's not, that doesn't feel like a super tight fit. See how it kind of pops back and forth inside? And the fill rod, which, you know, you just stretch this over. What is this? Comes with, oh, I think that's actually that's nice, kind of a nice detail. Hang on. Can I open this up? Well, I think it's a belt clip. I think it's a belt clip for the back. I think it screws in right there, and you could actually belt carry this little guy if you wanted to. Now I'm a little concerned because there's some play in the sheath. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a little bit of play there. Now this is a knife that's supposed to hang upside down like this, and it doesn't retain. And that's a quality problem, guys, because if your knife won't retain, I don't know if I could trust it to around my neck. So let's see, was that a fluke? No. Okay, so I gotta give him bad points for the retention. That's out of box. I mean, you saw me unbox it. That's not good. Because if you're walking around with it too, it could come out in your pack. You know, if it pops out in your backpack because your pack is bouncing, and then you reach in for your cook pot and you stab yourself, potentially. That's not good. Not good at all. Maybe I got a bunky one, but oh, that's interesting. There's actually a Phillips head. I don't know if you can see that. There's a Phillips head screwdriver tip on here for the belt clip. I do really like this bonus. Oh, bonus gift for me is a belt clip. It says it right on the little baggie. So that's I like the knife. I'm not happy with that sheath though. That's not good. Because you saw, I mean, I'm not even hitting it that hard and it's popping right out. And this is supposed to be a neck knife. Might want to check your quality control, guys. I know these are made in China, but come on, man. Right out of the box, first day in the woods, you're going to lose your knife because you might not notice it fall. And of course, if you do see it fall, a drop knife has no handles, so make sure if you do drop it that you don't try to catch it. I'm really disappointed about the sheath. That's I might actually stretch a Ranger band around here. In fact, maybe I'll go get one. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Alrighty, thought I'd show this, but all I do is I get these. I went to a chainsaw store and they had a big rack of these bootlaces, and I just bought several of them. And all I do is I just eyeball a length, put it through, and just tie a knot in it. Simple. I just do a simple overhand knot, or whatever the hell you call this knot, if I'm wrong. And I just pull it tight. I do it simply for aesthetics, because I just like the way it looks. But it also gives you a little bit of, when you pull your knife too, having it there gives you a little bit of extra grab on your hand, so you can actually grab it with your two fingers like that and just, you know, help pull it out. Of course, I'd have to move the Ranger band out to pull the knife. So all I did is I wrapped the Ranger band around it, and then I put the knife back in, and I just slipped it back over. So now we have retention. So, oh, no, we do not have full retention. I have a little bit better retention, but damn. Well, Ooh, zoomed in too far. Sorry about that. So yeah, that's the, I forgot the name of the knife. I think it's just the Holtzman Gorilla Survival neck knife, I believe. But I'll put all the links. Now I'm not going to knock the knife because of the sheath. I am disappointed though, but I do think it's kind of a cool little blade. $20, like I said. If I didn't say so, it was $20 for the email I got. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe a sharpener or a honer. It feels pretty rough, so it might be a sharpener or a sharpener. But yeah, I think it's kind of a cool little deal. Not happy with the sheath though, gotta be honest. So anyway, yeah, like I said, links will be down below. If you want to give it a look, I'll put their whole website down there and their Amazon page as well, because I believe they have one of those too. And I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.